Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Ram Ghafoor over here, and in our today's video we are going to do our second program, which is called Swapping in Python, how to swap two variables in Python. Or we can say how to swap the values of two variables in Python. So before we get started with it, let me share my screen and let's understand the concept of this first, which is like suppose we have like an x as a variable which has a value of 10, and then we have y as a variable which has a value of 12. Now if we want to swap these two, basically what we want to do is we want x to have the value of 12 and y to have the value of 10. So how are we going to do that? There are like two solutions. One solution, and we're gonna do the one solution in this program, which is using a third variable. For example, if I want x value to be 12, then what I'm gonna do is I'll introduce another variable which could be z. Okay, it would be a temporary variable. So I'll give, let's say I have the value x is equal to 12 and y is equal to, now I want it to be 10, but the y value has already 12, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'll make it z is, I'll give the value of z, a value of x to the z, and which means now the value of z is 12, so 10, and y is now empty, right? So now I'll give y the value of z, and it will turn out to be y equal to 10, which is the original value of x. So let's get started and see how it works. Okay, so here is our new file. We'll name it as swap.py or program2.py. Okay, and we'll save it over here in our desktop, in our programs in Python. And here it is. Okay, so I have a variable x which has a value of 10, and then I have the variable y which has a value 12. Then I take another temporary variable which let's make the comments as well. Takes two variables. Take two variables. Take another one variable which is z equal to x, which means that value of z is 10 now, and x is empty. And value of new value of x gonna be x equal to y. Okay, so it means value of x now is 12 and value of y is also 12 right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we can, as we have assigned value of y to x, we can assign value of z to our, to our variable y, which is x, which is z. Okay, so now new value of y should be 10 because over here value of z is 10. Let's print it out and see how it works. Also, let's print these values as well. The value of x is okay. New value of x is new value of y is. Let's see how it works. Okay, it's working perfectly fine. Look at it. The value of x is 10, which is the original value, and the value of y is 12, which is also the original value. Then we have them swapped, and the new value of x is now 12, and the new value of y is now 10. This is it for our class today. This is it for this video, and I'll meet you again in the next video, inshallah.